Hello and welcome back to our English grammar series. In today's lesson, we're diving deep into Unit 2 Present Simple I do. This tense is one of the most commonly used in English and is essential for building strong foundational grammar. So let's begin. Section A. Explanation with example. Picture of Alex sleeping in bed, as in the image. Let's start with an example. Meet Alex. He's a bus driver, but right now he's asleep. He is not driving a bus at this moment, but we still say he drives a bus. Why? Because it's his job. This is the present simple tense. Chart. I, we, you, they drive, work, do. He, she, it drives, works, does. The present simple uses the base form of the verb for I, we, you, and they. For he, she, and it, we add s or as to the verb. For example, I drive, but he drives. Section B. Usage in general statements. We use the present simple to talk about things that are generally or always true, or things that happen regularly. Let's look at some examples. Nurses look after patients in hospitals. The earth goes around the sun. The cafe opens at 7:30 in the morning. As you can see, these are facts or repeated actions. Remember, we say I work, but he works. They teach, but my sister teaches. Section C. Making questions and negatives. Questions. Do I, we, you, they work? Does he, she, it work? Negatives. I, we, you, they don't work. He, she, it doesn't work. To ask questions or make negative sentences in present simple, we use do or does. For example, do you come from Canada? He doesn't drive a taxi. Does this word mean something? What do you do? I work in a shop. He doesn't do anything to help. Section D. Habitual actions. The present simple is also used to describe how often we do things. For instance, I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. How often do you go to the dentist? Robert usually goes away 2 or 3 times a year. Section E. I promise, I suggest, I refuse. We also use present simple for things we say to perform actions. When you say, I promise I won't be late, I suggest you try this. You're not just talking, you're doing something by speaking. So we say, I apologize, I advise, I insist, I agree, I refuse.